Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your download location into Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do, if you just open this PC, and then if you want to go for this D drive, and if you want to create a folder over here called new and folder, and if you want to download the name of this folder or the downloads, and if you want to download all of your files into this folder, you just simply come over, open this download folder and come over into here and going to copy these, and then you just need to go for this download option over here. If you click on the right mouse button from here and go for show more options. After that you will get an option called properties. If you click on that, then the download properties will be shows up. And here you just need to select the location over here and going to paste that you copied from that file location and going to click on apply, click yes for the permission and then click OK. And now your all downloads will be showing over here. You can see downloads. So this is how you can change the download location into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.